Today I want to show you a quick and easy candy wrapper for Christmas. So what you first need are 2 large candy bars, and I'm going to set those aside for a moment. And then I have a tape runner, but any kind of double stick tape, adhesive, anything like that would work. And then you need these free PDF printable files, which I will link to below in the video. And then when you print them out, this is what they look like. You can leave the small sides or the thin sides attached, and all you need to do then is trim off the fatter sides, or the left and the right of the design actually. It just makes wrapping your candy bar a bit easier. And you do want to cut into the design. There is more than enough there. You don't have to worry about cutting it off. So scissors or paper trimmer, whatever works for you. And then you're left with a piece of paper like this. And it gives you an indication of where the candy bar would sit. So we put that on the back, and then we're just going to flip over the sides so that it wraps around the candy bar. And you can see that there is enough design there to wrap those sides. And then all we need to do is fold in the design like so. And if you want, you can pinch in a little bit here, whatever works for you to wrap. If you want to tape that down in place, you can definitely do that as well. So I've got that wrapped around. I want to just take a second here to tuck in the whites of the paper. And like I said, if putting tape down would make that easier for you, then please do go right ahead and do that. And then our last bit of folding here will be this piece that wraps around. And for this design, we do want Santa's belt there to line up. So I am just going to take the cap off my tape runner. Should have done that off camera. And then I'm just going to run a little bit of tape here to make it stick. Now you could do multiples of these, put them on your table at each place setting. Whatever works best for you. And it makes a quick and easy little wrapped Santa candy bar or a reindeer. And this one comes together the exact same way. You can see I've already started working on some of the folding here. And I'm just going to tuck everything in, give it a little bit of tape runner. And just wrap that candy bar around there, give it a push, and there my candy bars are wrapped and ready to give as gifts.